What I love the most about being a Crusader is just the environment of the school and all the teachers that are supportive to us and my classmates around me.
I just love how we're all one big family.
The coaches, the players, they know how to lift you up if you're ever down. They'll push you to be the best you want to be.
These are my brothers around me. I know the coaches love me, and everybody around us is loved.
Something special playing in front of the fans in the stadium is that they're always cheering for you. They'll never look down on you if you make a bad play. They're always on your side and they're gonna lift you up.
All of our students come out and they're very supportive and they're very loud, especially when we score a touchdown.
We feed off of their energy to play well.
We have to go out and represent every Friday night.
This school has given me so much, so I like to give back.
It's important to support the upcoming fundraiser so we can put it towards a new track and field so future Crusaders can use it.
They'll be able to perform better and get them to the next level.
It'll help me create my mark.
I feel like the players in all the other sports as well need a new turf and track. It's an honor to wear the blue and gold to carry on the legacy of the people before us.
Once a Crusader, always a Crusader.
Once a Crusader, always a Crusader.
Once a Crusader, always a Crusader.